Although the engines had much to worry about, they were all doing their best to be responsible, reliable, and really useful.
He's a really useful engine, you know. All the other engines, they'll tell you so. He huffs and whistles, rushing to and fro. He's the really useful engine we adore. He's a really useful engine, you know. 'Cause the Fat Controller, he told him so. Now he's got a punchline to call his very own. He's the really useful engine we adore. He's the one, he's the one. He's the really useful engine that we adore. He's the one, he's the number one. Thomas the Tank Engine. He's the really useful engine we adore.
Morning, Henry. What's the matter?
I've got boiler ache.
Then it's a good thing that I'm off to fetch special coal for you.
Oh, thank you, Thomas. Special coal will make me feel much better.